by a split decision. And the winner is in the red corner, Cecil Louis Iguara ng Zamboanga Sibugay.
Wow! Langak na gali. Kapila ko mapilbit na siya.
Please, coaches, dala sa ito ang mga physician. Next bout,
Para mo siya sa person si Kano?
bout number 17, babasa from J. Kelyusa of Zamboanga del Norte. Third man of the ring, Mr. Joel Ermac. John David Lagresola. And his opponent across the ring in the blue corner,